Let us solve this JAMB 2023 chemistry past question together. What is the mass percentage of carbon C in methane, which is CH4? The molar mass of carbon is approximately 12 grams per mole. So now let us solve this question. To solve this question, we need to get the relative molecular mass of the compound, which is CH4, which is known as methane. CH4, which is known as methane. So how do we get this? We need to write out the compound first, CH4. So now, how do we calculate the relative molecular mass? So now we need to know the mass number of carbon and the mass number of hydrogen. So the mass of carbon, or the molar mass of carbon, is 12 grams per mole we've been given. So what is the mass or relative atomic mass of hydrogen? So the relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. I believe everybody should know that. Relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. That's 1 grams per mole. 1 grams per mole. So now let us calculate the relative molecular mass of the compound methane. So now let us calculate it together. C is 12. So let us do 12. It does not have any subscript. When I say subscript, I mean a number that is always below here, showing the amount of atoms that it has. So here it does not have any, which means it has 1. So we'll just do 12 times 1. So now plus, what is the relative atomic mass of hydrogen? Is 1. 1 times, what is the subscript, which is 4? The subscript is 4. You can see 4. 4. So now 12 times 1 will give you 12, plus 1 times 4 will give you 4. So now 12 plus 4 will surely give you 16. So 16 grams per mole. So 16 grams per mole is the relative molecular mass of methane, which is CH4. So now let us calculate the mass percentage of just carbon in CH4. We want to know the percentage in which carbon occupies in this particular compound. So this is how we are going to calculate it. We are going to calculate it as if we are calculating a percentage question. So let us go. What is the percent of carbon? The relative atomic mass of carbon is 12. So we are going to write, okay, let me give you a formula that will make it simple for you guys. We write C, which is carbon, over CH4 times 100%. Like we are doing a percentage portion. So now, what is the relative atomic mass of carbon? 12. What is the relative molecular mass of methane? We got it as 16 times 100%. 100%. So now, let us solve this together. So now, 12 divided by 16 times 100%. 4 can divide 12 and also 16. So 4 in this will give you 3. 4 in this will give you 4. So this will give you 3 over 4 times 100%. So we all know that 3 over 4 is 0.75 times 100%. So 0.75 times 100%, you can use your calculator. That will give you 75%. So the mass percentage of carbon in this particular compound, which is methane, is 75%. So if you want more explanations on chemistry and how to solve some other questions, you can download our app, which is the Class 54 app, to solve and to practice for any examination, be it JAMB, NECO, or WAEC examination. See you